Hi, my name is Mandeep and this is my tiny room where I am going to be starting my small business from. So let me give you a little tour of my room. My desk. It is a pretty small desk, like I've just had to kind of fit this in. And as you can already tell, it is really plain. There's not much going on. It needs a bit of life, right? It needs color. Let's go to IKEA and let's transform this space. So my idea is to get a pegboard for the jewelry, to hang the jewelry and whatnot, and to hang the accessories that I create and make for my small business. So I went onto Pinterest and I found a few ideas that I liked. This helped me to stay on track and it gave me a vision on what I wanted my pegboard to look like. So we've got the stuff. Let me show you what we have got. Ended up getting the pegboard. So this was £10. To be honest to you, I don't actually want to use screws to actually put this on the wall. I want to just stick it on. I've actually bought the picture hanging strips and hopefully this works and can hold this. It says it can hold up to 7.2 kg, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it works. Fingers crossed. It works. Okay. Then I also bought some containers. They have like a white lid and they're see-through and there's 3. This was for £8. Then I also bought 2 packs of hooks. It was 2 in 1 pack and the packs were £1 each. This is like a hook. I also bought this to just hang the phone charms and maybe some bracelets as well. We'll see what can go on here, but I just thought this just had a lot of hooks that I could hang things on. So, and because the walls are white and the pegboard is white, I thought let's give it a bit of color, right? We need a bit of color in this room. So I thought, why not get these leaves? And this also matches some of the pictures we found on Pinterest. It opens up and it's pretty long. And then I got some little containers that I can put in my drawer to organize the drawer underneath my desk, right? We can organize it, put the beads in, put other little bits and bobs in here, and it would just make that drawer look a lot more neater and tidier. So either I can put it like this or I can put it long ways. I think because of all the jewelry and everything that's going to be hanging from it, I'll have more space if I was to do it this way. I also realized that I have to do it long ways because the way these little slots are positioned, I can't do it the other way. I have to do it this long way because that's how all of these tools are designed to fit in. So it will not fit in. So for example, if I did it the other way, it will not fit in. So yeah, clearly you can tell how much I actually researched this before I bought it. I thought I could position it whichever way, but if I knew that, I would have actually got a bigger one. And that way it would have been more wider, but it's okay. We can just add on to these, right? You can get another one and just put it next to it and it becomes a bit bigger. So that's just something you can bear in mind if you do choose to get a pegboard. So there has been a change of plan and the idea is now to actually screw this pegboard onto the wall using screws instead of the sticky tape. I think it will be a lot more stronger and it will just give me a peace of mind knowing that it won't fall. So I had some help in putting up the pegboard and to be honest, it was pretty easy and I'm so happy with how it's all turned out. So the jewelry and the accessories are now on the pegboard. I have played around with it a little bit, moving things around, but For now, I am satisfied and I'm happy with this. And to be honest, this is the best part, right? Bringing it all together and just seeing it actually come to life, like your vision come to life. So this is what it looks like. What do you think? Now that the pegboard is completed and it looks pretty good, let's now decorate this desk. And let's try to make it look like something you would see on Pinterest. That side of the wall is pretty empty, so what I'll do is I'm thinking of getting some quotes, posters, and some pictures, and we can stick it on this wall so it doesn't look too empty. If you have any suggestions as well on what I can put on this side of the wall, please do let me know in the comments below. Okay, so we've got our containers here, and I want to clear out the drawer underneath my desk. And let's put some things in here and just make this look a bit organized. So the drawer is pretty messy, so let's start cleaning this. So we can put some of these little containers which have charms and beads in them. We can put them in here. So when I need to use these or I need to get them out, it's easier to find. Maybe if we stand them up, it'll take up less space. Yeah, that looks a little better, right? Hopefully they don't drop. Add that in there as well. Oh, there's another one. Keychains for the key rings and clips in here. We can also put these in there as well. Maybe put the plier in there as well. And let's see what we can put in here. So these drawers also have some beads in them. I think I should just keep it as it is. Just keep the beads as they are in there. I could just keep these for now, right? And then we can use them for whatever we need to use them for after. Keep that drawer empty as well. And that should be fine. Let's see how we are going to place this. So I use these quite a lot. Put that on top like that, and then we can put them there. These can go here. All the stamps fell out of this box, so I need to put them back in. So this is what it is currently looking like. We're doing well. Just need to see how I'm gonna put this. That should be okay. And yeah, I think we're done. There we go. It looks a lot neater. So we have reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for helping me to make my desk, my office area look so much better. I can't wait to start packing orders and start creating more content for my small business. I hope that you've enjoyed your time here, and I hope that you also learned something from this and you've taken some sort of inspiration and motivation for your own small business, or just in general your creative side, right? Allowing yourself to just explore and see and become creative with the area that you have, with the space that you have to work with. Okay, you can make it happen. You know, my tiny room, and I've transformed it into something a little bit better, right? And so can you. So I hope this has helped, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.